Hello, art lovers, presenting Peaceful Krishna painting by your friend and guide, artist Akansha Gupta. So don't forget to subscribe my channel Akansha Arts and press the bell icon to get notifications of upcoming videos. Let's start painting. The materials I have used in this painting is mentioned in description box in detail, so do check that out. The medium of this painting is acrylic on canvas, size 8 by 10 inch. So here I have sketched the reference Krishna photo on my canvas using charcoal pencil. Freehand sketching is done here. If you are not comfortable in freehand, use grid method technique. Tutorial is in I button above, so do check that. You can save the borders by using masking tape as shown. Begin with covering the black background portion of the painting. You can start with face also if you wish. There is nothing specific about painting background first, so go as you are comfortable. Just wet your brush a little with water to get that easy flow of moving the brush surface on canvas. As the Camel acrylic color is thick and dries fast, so adding a dab of water makes it flowy and easy to paint. Start painting the shades of face skin. The colors used is cobalt blue, Prussian blue, black and titanium white. Just understand the gradient of colors. Below the chin is dense black because of shadow. Left side of turban lining on forehead is darker, so go from black to dark Prussian blue by mixing black and Prussian blue. Note the tip: while just filling an area with monochrome, use wet brush, and while blending from dark to light shade, we use dry brush to give that smooth effect of blending. Avoid patchy skin brush effect by not taking too much of color on brush tip and only dry brushing it. Moving further, outline eyebrows, eyelash, nose line with black and keep painting the skin around these areas from light to dark blues. It will only come with practice, so don't lose patience, keep trying. You will get better with every artwork you paint. Moving towards the face portion, use shades of grey, black and use white to make highlighted part and give that curved shape of eyelid on eyeshadow by using white. Also add a tint of pink to give that purplish grey on eyeshadows. It's much like eye makeup. Complete both eyes. Move towards lip. For lips, I have used shade Crimson Lake plus black for dark areas. For highlighting the lower lip, add light pink. Making shadows with deep, dense, dark colors will give curves of the cheeks, chin, lips, nose a clean and correct proportionate look. Keep painting until you achieve the realistic look. Patience is the key to be an artist. Now moving towards this beautiful turban. Creases of clothes on any kind of cloth painting is the main thing to get realistic in the process. Shades used are yellow ochre plus burnt sienna, and also black for shadows and white for highlighting, as said earlier. Paint a yellow base, then define folds with black. After that, go from light to dark shades or vice versa, as shown in the video. You can also watch a tutorial of oil painting kept behind this Krishna painting. Click on the I button above to learn Radha in Moonlight oil painting tutorial. For painting the jewelry of Krishna, I'm using yellow ochre plus burnt sienna. White is for kundan work on choker or necklace, you can say. Pink on center is for that stone on the middle. Give a base of yellow ochre, then keep layering above it as required according to the reference image, which have kundan or stone petals and pearls studded jewels. For realistic approach, go as detailed as possible for you by zooming in the image and getting every possible shades on canvas. For making that studded jewel on a turban, use shades of grey, black for outlining of stone, black plus yellow ochre for gold base of jewels, white for more shiny reflecting areas of stone. For making white feather, just use a round dry brush. Take dark grey and dab on that area. Don't rub as you do in painting, just as how you apply powder on face. Just do that with that round brush. For all shades of color used in this peacock feather part, I have attached a separate pic in this video. Please have a look to all the colors. In general, for making any minute detail, you just have to see the changes in the shades of color and keep layering it accordingly. And some followers on Instagram requested me to make a separate video on peacock feathers, because of course it's not an easy task to make peacock feather because of its various colors amalgamation and those shiny strands of feathers. So if you need a separate elaborate real-time peacock feather tutorial, do reply me on my comment section of this video. If many are interested, we'll surely make one such tutorial on peacock feathers. Highlighting the strands of peacock feather by using Rigger Miniature Brustro brush and applying lemon yellow shade to give shiny effect on the strands of these feathers. Take off the masking tape from the canvas borders. Your painting is ready for display. Even if you don't frame this, it's still looking beautiful because of these defined borders and peaceful at the same time. Hope you have enjoyed the process. You can buy this handmade painting or can customize as per your requirements. You can contact by sending message on social media platforms. The link is given in the description below. Happy painting. Bye bye.